Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. It's more than 10x. He more than 10x'd his money in the group. This person, I'm up $10,000 in the last week. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump in this video, I want to ask you guys, smash the like button for me. If you're trying to get a like spike going, 1,000 likes a video, that's the goal. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, why not? I'm going to keep you updated daily on the news that moves the markets, Bitcoin, technical analysis. I got some altcoin setups at the end of this video. You want to watch those? Jumping right into the market today in crypto, Bitcoin analysis. Okay, Bitcoin 4-hour chart. So we all know Bitcoin's close to all-time high. Bearish idea would be, hey, this is a double top. You're going to get some type of reversal. Okay, I mean, the Bitcoin price action would have to break all the way down here to confirm this double top at about 16,000. But what I want you to pay attention to is this giant broadening ascending channel or ascending wedge that Bitcoin's been in for, I mean, since October, essentially. Okay, and so we go up here and we see like it's a broadening wedge, so it's getting wider, right? And so you see Bitcoin, the price action's in here. I mean, potentially, so you got your high, your low. This high is a lower high, so I mean that's not a bullish sign. Okay, you could be getting some type of descending triangle right here. Okay, I mean, do have this double bottom, and you did get a bounce here, but again, this is very zoomed in, right? So most people probably aren't concerned with these tiny moves out of Bitcoin unless you're trading altcoins like this. Today's been a great day to trade some of these smaller cap altcoins. I'm going to talk to you about some of these, altcoins that I want to put on your radar because we've been killing it today. And so just understand that with Bitcoin, it would be good for altcoins if they just stayed in this range. But what's happening is these large cap altcoins aren't moving. Okay, so again, if this turns out to be a descending triangle, potentially you get a move here. If this lower trend line doesn't hold, obviously there's some downside. Okay, you're talking about these crazy numbers to the downside. All right, but I mean, Bitcoin's been in a bullish trend for an extended period of time. It's hard to bet against Bitcoin until this happens, right? So sometimes it's better to react than predict. Okay, so the bullish idea would be that Bitcoin kind of forms this bull flag and then breaks out to the upside. And that if we extend this, we can kind of get targets up here. I mean, could run as high as like 23,000. But the thing is, there's 2,000 plus Bitcoin being sold right here. And so it's hard. It's hard for the Bitcoin bulls to break through that. Now, so you got all these sell orders stacked right here. So if you can imagine, every time this price action runs up here, these sell orders are getting filled. Okay, so this bullish flag would slowly kind of dissipate those sell orders that are stacked right here and potentially punch through and get a move to the upside. Okay, and it could move all the way to this upper trend line. We could end up with like $22,500 Bitcoin. All right, so you have to have a bearish idea and a bullish idea. This is a historical breakout. It's not going to be easy.
It's not going to be simple. When it happens, the game changes completely. If Bitcoin pulls back at some point, a month from now, a week from now, 2 months from now, and it just drops and you get just sick because your portfolio is just disappearing quickly, buy Bitcoin. We are headed to the most amazing, epic, parabolic bull run that most people have ever seen, right? And that's just based on previous price action, right? This is it. Like, this is the time. This might be your last chance. If you get this pullback, this might be your last amazing chance to buy Bitcoin. Now, and the same thing could be said about, hey, once this breakout happens, there's some upside. But it's hard to say, hey, buy some Bitcoin right here, because this could go either direction, right? So this is called managing risk, and this is what creates profitable traders. You have to be able to manage risk. Like there was someone talking in the trading group, and he was like, oh yeah, my dad wants to get Bitcoin. I'm like, right now? Like right now? It's hard to say, hey, yeah, buy Bitcoin right here. Like, make a move first. Give me a hint you're going to break through these sell orders up here. Or even better yet, give me a move down here and I'm loading up. I'm freaking putting the house on the market, going all in. Give me one more chance to buy, right? So that's how you have to look at this. No matter what, do not sell out of fear. This is not the time to do that. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, a lot of times I get these emails and I'm like, people are like, I don't know if I'm able to trade. I don't know if I can do this. This young lady, Mrs. Graceland, she has a 13-year-old and a 16-year-old. Their portfolios were up about 54%. Her granddaughters in 2 weeks trading in the group. Are you kidding me? Are you serious? Mrs. Graceland, she was up $11,264 this past week. This is previous. Next person quit his job. He quit his job, pulled away from his company, and he went full-time trading. This person, I'm up $10,000 for the week on Binance, and I'm up $8,000 trading on Coinbase Pro. Life-changing money. Then he messaged me again. I'm up another $10,000 on Binance this week, and I'm thinking, crazy gains. If you want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, go to my website, cryptorev.net. Right now, if you pay in crypto for 6 months or 12 months, it's 50% off for a limited time. 50% off if you pay for 6 months or 12 months in crypto. All right, so hard protocol. This is a coin. A lot of times, new coins get added to Binance. New coins get added to different exchanges. And I like to kind of just give a brief introductory idea. And this is hard. This is the hard protocol, the world's first cross-chain money market. Lend, borrow, and earn with your crypto now. It's DeFi, clearly. It's a newer coin, and it has a tremendous amount of upside. These smaller cap cryptos, Moon Edition, period. Moon Edition, it's going to be so much easier for hard protocol to 10x than XRP or Bitcoin, right? Life-changing money comes fastest in these guys, all right? They're volatile. But if you just have a small bag of some of these different coins I'm about to talk to you about today, life-changing money. So hard, we started trading it when it first got added to Binance, and this was potentially the 16th. So almost 3 weeks ago. It was by the breakout of this level. And of course it did broke out down here. And it ran from 47 cents to 75 cents, right? So essentially 50% gains out of hard right here. Epic. That's a solid run up. So then recently, 3 days ago, this setup, by the breakout of this level, these falling wedges are my favorite, right? They break to the downside not very often, right? The percentages are 68% chance to break to the upside. Unless Bitcoin does something crazy, these are breaking higher, right? You can see you got this little double bottom. So I just want you guys to pay attention to this pattern specifically, falling wedges. In the right market conditions, markets has to be solid, right? I'll buy these coins before they even break out, okay? Hard was amazing. Even on the second, I said, hey, watch hard. And then hard, boom, move to the upside. Check this out. Look, I front run it, right? So I'm buying in here. Comes up here, and then another falling wedge, and then it's all the way up here. Up 55%. Life-changing money, quick gains. And this happened over the course of 3 days. What would we be doing if Bitcoin went up 55% in 3 days? You know, so I mean, Hard's one of those I want to just put it on your radar. Here's another one I want to put on your radar. It's called Cover Protocol. It's in the innovation zone on Binance. If you don't have a Binance account, you can use PureVPN. Links in the description. You can make a Binance account, and there's a ton of these small caps. I mean, you can obviously trade these on Uniswap. You can get them on the decentralized exchanges. There's a lot of ways to get these coins. But Cover Protocol is one to watch. And so the reason, there's some news behind this. In Yearn, which is YFI, which was created by Andre Cronje, he's hot. I mean, when he creates a coin or is involved in a coin, or this is Yearn Finance, YFI, which I gave you guys a setup on. And it hasn't really, so we were kind of front running the setup that I gave you guys, where this is a giant cup and handle. Like this is essentially the handle, right? And so this is the giant cup. And I gave this to you guys previously. Now it hasn't quite broken out yet of the setup I gave you. But we came down here and you had this little falling wedge and it did break out to the upside. So it's starting to put some profits in. It's maybe Yearn merges with Cover. All right. So Sushi had a crazy run up based on this idea. Sushi USDT posted the setup this morning when I woke up. Boom, moved to the upside. I had given you guys this Sushi setup previously down here, falling wedge, broke out 65% gains right here. Okay, here it is again. I mean, you might get some type of bull flag out of this guy if you're watching Sushi. Andre Cronje said that Cover is going to become the backstop coverage provider for Yearn, which is huge. And then here's another, this is another coin that I've covered with you guys, Keeper Network, KP3R. And the key is this, Andre Cronje, here's his name again, latest experiment, and this is previous, now this is from about a month ago. All right, and this coin has taken off. It's taken off. Remember, this is, they call Cronje the father of decentralized finance. Decentralized finance is hot. If you are new to this space, and you're familiar with Bitcoin and you're familiar with Ethereum, you just have to know that today, specifically, you go through these phases. This market's very cyclical. You go through these phases where certain coins just take off. And today is DeFi small cap day. Like we were killing on these small caps, tons of upside. So I'll show you the Keeper setup was here. And you can see, like, look at what Keeper's done. Like it's up tremendously. It was $3. And now it's $16. Let's do the math on that. What is that, 5x? It's 5x'd since I started talking about it back here, right? Since I talked to you guys about it, it's 5x, 500% gains. Bitcoin didn't do that. This is the easiest money you're going to make in crypto. Now, here's another one. This is called Rose. Okay, so Rose, the price right now is just above its private sale price. It's got very strong tokenomics. There's a new release of new tokens into the market on September 2021. They've partnered with numerous Fortune 500 companies. DeFi and private data tokenization is what they focus on. They have the best backers and partners in the crypto space. This is crazy. This is the Oasis network, which is Rose. You see names like Binance, Staffy, Balancer, Portal. Oasis Labs is working with Uber as it aims to cure some of its ills of the internet. Anyways, they've got a ton of partners, and it hasn't really taken off yet. So make sure and check out Rose. Rose is another one to watch. So I've got some news that I'm going to cover with you guys on Theta and Theta Fuel in just a second. I'm going to give you guys some setups. But here's what I want to paint this picture. Okay, and so like I said, we were trading hard. We just smashed it. All right, so here's today. Today in a nutshell. You open up CoinMarketCap, and the herd right now is looking at CoinMarketCap, and they're like thinking, well, there ain't much going on. Bitcoin's not doing anything. You got basically everything's flat. Everything's flat. Everything's flat, guys. Let's take the day off trading. Let's take the day off crypto. Then you go to Binance. Cover, which we just talked about, up 52%. Keeper. Here's this Keeper setup. Let me find Keeper. Keeper, here I posted it. Actually here, by the breakout here, it's up from $14 to $16.50. And then Sparta, I didn't post this up, I missed it. Hard, which we've talked about, it's up 18, 19% today. But you can see huge percentage gains, right? Cake, I didn't post that, but these are like small cap cryptos. Look at the market caps; they're not even listed, right? It's very easy to move these coins, and when these DeFi coins start taking off, it's quick money, right? So if you're using Uniswap or Binance, or even I posted a couple Coinbase coins as well. I talked to you guys about Waves. I think it was last video. Waves has got a lot of new ideas coming. DeFi, very active in DeFi space now. Waves kind of reinventing themselves, and you'll see the Wave setup exploded, right? I was even looking for the bounce here because look, you're about to get a bearish cross. And so looking for the move down and then the bounce and then the breakout because there's running out of room. There's no room here. It's out of room. Run it. Waves. Look, got that move, and then the breakout. And then today took off, right? But what I want you to focus on, and I'm going to talk about, I got two setups to talk to you about with Theta and T-Fuel, where you're kind of getting these like rounded bottoms here, right? Which is forming these like handles, like almost like cup and handles. And I'll show you on Theta in just a second. But the cool thing about this that I just want to share with you guys is I searched Waves in the trading group, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, including myself, 7, 8 people called out Waves was moving in this period of time, right? So you got a group where everybody's just like calling it out. It's the best. Dude, it makes my job so much easier. It makes trading for me, it makes it so much easier to trade this market when you have, it's like prairie dogs. Like we have prairie dogs calling out everything. 4,000 sets of eyes watching this market. I just think I get so excited about it. Like I can't even help myself. I try to tell everybody like, dude, this is amazing what we put together. Okay. Free setups, Theta. So I have this rounded bottom. Okay. So a break above here. I mean, essentially you could see about 25% gains here, but this is price discovery up in this area. Price discovery, right? Where this is all-time high for Theta. Okay, buy the breakout of this level is a safe entry, right? This previous high. High risk to buy here. But if we go back and we look at news, what does Theta have going on? Theta on the 10th, they've got a protocol upgrade. They are including smart contracts on the mainnet starting December 10th. So there's your news catalyst. You got a solid technical pattern. You got a news catalyst, so keep an eye on Theta. Well, while I'm looking up Theta, I'm like, hey, man, T-Fuel's got a ton of news. T-Fuel's got more news than Theta, but it's coming at the end of the month. Smart contracts on the mainnet, very similar. Theta beta feed. Anycast Theta edge node. Decentralized DRM beta. These are NFT, non-fungible tokens. We'll use these digital rights management. So this is huge for Theta. Let's go look at that setup. And this is a nice looking setup. T-Fuel, BTC. You got a double bottom, and then now you have a bullish pennant right below this level, right? You want to buy the breakout of this bullish pennant. If you don't know how to buy a breakout, skip this stuff. Just focus on these coins. Possibly, when you get a pullback in Bitcoin, these are the coins you're going to look at, right? Now you got a golden cross that just happened. Golden cross that just happened on the 4-hour time frame. See this yellow line right here? This is 200 simple moving average. The price action broke above the 200, bullish. Golden cross. So the 21 and now the 50 have crossed, bullish. Now you're about to get the 80 and the 100. Okay, so this will be, and I call it a bullish catalyst. Bullish catalyst. And so what this does is when this breaks higher, you're going to get all the bots and algos are going to buy based on this idea. All right, so this gives you bullish follow through, right? So as long as Bitcoin just doesn't do anything crazy, you got news catalyst end of the month. You got a bull pennant. You got bullish catalyst here, golden cross, buy the breakout of this pennant. You got a double bottom, confirmation target of this bull, of this double bottoms right here. When T-Fuel takes off, it runs. It runs pretty good. So I'm mobile today. I want to get this quick video out to you guys, get some of these setups out to you guys, help you make some profits. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.